Alright guys, Jason here coming at you from beautiful Palm Springs, California. Another day in vacation land, but I just can't get away from these gold videos. I love watching these tickers unfold. Today's going to be a short day just because pretty much exactly what we anticipated yesterday to happen has happened. Yesterday we talked about that daily time frame having that nice tight body and long upper and lower wicks. It's a sign of a reversal and a volume climax, and we're expecting a little bit of pullback for that much needed daily consolidation. Our RSI is still above 70, currently at 76, so this is perfect. This is exactly what we wanted to see happen on the daily time frame, and this is what we need to see happen if we're going to have continued upside movement. We just can't keep climbing up forever. It just doesn't work that way. We need to see these pullbacks and these areas of cooling where we can have that RSI calm down. We can see prices level out, stabilize, and be comfortable in their new home without the fear of the bottom just pulling out immediately and just having a huge jump to the downside. We need to establish more support, and that's what we're doing from the daily time frame. So nice to see this good pullback, good decent volume here, and a confirmation of our big volume climax spinning top candlestick here. So on the 4-hour time frame, what we were looking for was going to be a nice scoop, something above 1400, because that 1400 level was going to be that 4-hour higher low, and that is from this level here. So we get a bearish attack. This is as far as they go. Bulls bounce back. We get another attack by the bears. This is as far as they go, establishing support at 1400. So we see a big move following that and no real pullback yet. So what are we looking for? We want to see if these bulls can hold that 1400 support and establish a new higher low. So we got down to that level, and that's about what we wanted to see, and I managed to get a position here around 1409. I'm playing GDX, so I'm not sure what the direct correlation is. I'm pretty much at break even right now, and what I'm hoping to see is a nice continuation. We need a confirmation that we have that higher low set. We don't have that confirmation quite yet, and then we need to see that price pull back and continue that 4-hour uptrend. So far so good. We've managed to get to where we want to see a turnaround. We just need to see that actually follow through. Right now, if we change our perspective a little bit, this starts to look like a little bit of a bear flag. So we also need to be cautious of that potential. And I am going to consider that bear flag to be played out if we see that candlestick close nice and red underneath 1400. And that does two things. A, confirms that bearish flag, and it also confirms that we lost that 1400 area support and that 4-hour higher low pattern. So I will switch my buy short term if we do that. Right now I'm long on GDX, and I am hoping to see this 4-hour continuation. So we've talked about what the downside looks like. If we get that loss of 1400, that's going to be the bear case. What's going to happen if we get a nice move to the upside? What's the signal for that? Well, we know where we have that area of 1400 support. We're hoping that this is going to be that area higher low. If we go to our hourly time frame, take a look at what's going on there, a little bit more detail. Here's a test of support, bounce, another test of support. We got a good run up to 1415, and now we're cooling off nice and slow. So we are in an hourly uptrend in the sense that we are getting higher highs and we're getting higher lows. We need to establish a higher low again on the hourly, something over top of 1403. That would look very nice for a continued upside move here on the hourly time frame. So we're right at a make or break point on gold. We need to see what these bulls are going to do, if they're going to do anything at all, and we're watching very cautiously to see if the 1400.928 level holds for support for our bearish flag to be negated and for our 4-hour higher low, higher high pattern to continue. That's it for today. I'm heading into the pool. Hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will talk to you tomorrow, hopefully with some good news for the bulls.